Welcome to the MOOC in a Box final presentation. This is a collaborative update for our final submission during the Spring 2020 Educational Technology semester. Our team consists of Dylan Perry, Jesse Beck, and myself, Stephen Smith. So let's get into it. Our project was a rather unique approach. From the beginning, our team knew we wanted to develop a working prototype to demonstrate at the end of the semester, but we also wanted to make strides with research as well. That's why we're pleased to give you an overview of the MOOC in a Box hybrid project. Leading up to our team proposal, we conducted extensive research from scholarly sources to help refine the focus of our study, to begin to think about the central problem statement we wanted to address, and to articulate a central working hypothesis as a foundation to our project. Some of the most cutting-edge research we found centered on previously published case studies involving MOOC-type systems various institutions around the world have implemented and that researchers have studied. From the Weian China University study to the Katori analysis of the Talk About Pure Studio platform investigation, we learned from these results and paid particular attention to elements of MOOCs that required improvement and concentrated on the features and components that worked well in these software platforms so that we could learn from the experiences of previous researchers. Using the information we obtained, we approached a central hypothesis to base our research upon, and that reads as the following. Our research is testing that the toolkit suggested in this paper could be a fundamental improvement over the traditional employee orientation and education techniques. In any form of education, there are two parties, the teachers and the learners. And within the workplace and within orientation in particular, these two roles are often filled by individuals that are peers. We are testing whether the platform proposed is a significant improvement in both the way teachers create content to share and learners are educated within the workplace. To take this research further, our team conducted online surveys and user studies throughout the semester that focused in part on user feedback pertaining to corporate onboarding. Our final paper summarizes the online survey results and provides central takeaways that we gleaned from these studies. Throughout the semester, our team concentrated on the following high-level milestone objectives. So for milestone 1, we focused on prototype wireframes and data collection and established foundations. And then moving into milestone 2, taking the information we collected from the previous milestone, we started implementing a MOOC in a Box prototype, which led to the final deliverable that you're hearing about today, where we've continued developing and finalizing 5 sample training segments that we'll show in their final form, and those include videos and a written tutorial. A typical company might include in their own instance of a MOOC in a Box. And through hard work by our developers, we intend to provide the TAs who are listening to this with a guided tour of the student and content view perspectives of our prototype. But finally, we want to provide a takeaway message and offer a path forward if development and research continue beyond the scope of this course. So now let's get into the rest of the presentation. Up next, Jesse will cover research process highlights that led to the prototype's final design, and then Dylan will provide a technical discussion and demonstration of our prototype. So without further ado, take it away, Jesse.